failed logins, it will basically add that information in a table that okay, the login got failed. For successful logins, because now that's not a problem, right? That you need to
Yeah.
identify, but you can change it if you also want to have both failed and successful logins. Close cross database ownership changing.
Is
Go
there
to
any?
database settings.
Yep.
This is for database, not the server.
Yeah, that's not a server. Advanced permissions.
Yes, so maybe okay, you can provide these, but you need
So
to provide it to the PC7 user, right? Because
yeah.
that is the one that's doing the operations.
Oh, okay.
Can you see if that
Which one do I give?
anything that is related to login, right?
Related to login this one?
Yes, so grant, yeah, and
I'll
maybe
go
now
disconnect.
create a new, maybe remove Henry and
Oh,
create a new login.
delete. Okay. This does not delete the database using as long as you're login. We complete the process to the username in each data. It will be necessary to first transfer the ownership of the game to new users. Do I
Okay,
just
so first, no, just click on cancel
cancel?
and click on cancel again.
Cancel.
Go right click, go to properties
Property.
and user mapping, right?
Oh, just
Just
cancel that.
remove yes, yes.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I forgot about
Now
that.
delete.
Okay.
Click on OK now.
Okay.
Yeah, no problems. Right. Create new login.
Login. Login.
Yeah, just go to user mapping again.
Mapping.
SFM
Mapping.
stats. Go to status. Go to status.
Oh, status.
No, yeah, just the last one. So the login is enabled. Permission to connect is okay. And go back to user mapping.
Mapping.
So you have given yourself access to this database.
Yeah.
Database role, give it, okay, you have DB owner and public. Okay, so this should
Yeah,
be
yeah,
fine.
yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Right, click on OK.
Okay. Let me double check. I changed it again.
Yeah, it would do that. I'm not sure why. Those password policies.
Default database.
Okay, let's do it SFM stats, right? And click on OK.
Okay. No, did I? Oh, I forgot to change the password.
Let me, sorry.
Okay. Yep, I changing it. Like, is there any open source SQL that I can connect to? If that's the case, I don't think we can do anything unless the permission is, or some sort of permission is taken.
Right, right. Let's, like, I'm trying to find out why you are facing this issue.
Yeah.
I installed SQL Server.
So what I'm thinking is overwriting the user PC7's password on my user, because I don't have the access to actually create a user,
Uh-huh.
and they, instead of actually create a user without any authentication, they just create one, but the password stay unchanged. I mean,
Not
when I
sure
change
about that. Yeah. Can you use this option like map to credentials?
map to
No.
credential.
So in the same window, right?
Yeah.
Below the confirm password, you see map to
Oh,
credentials, right? Just below this, below this. Yeah, this one. And select, okay, nothing is there to map it to. Anyways, click on OK. Let's see if it works. Like we have created a new user now, right?
yeah.
Connect, right? Connect
Connect
SQL Server.
server.
Hmm. information issue, I think.
It's
Can
logging.
can you can we try with MySQL?
Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, so in this case,
Or maybe what we can do is we can try and create the data factory so that we are
great.
ready on the Azure side, and then we will see how to work with this.
Okay. This
Right,
one?
the third option. Yes. So
Great.
create data factory.
Resource group, SFM, name, SFM test. Can you change anything? Oh,
Yeah, it doesn't need this underscore.
okay.
It won't do with
FM test. Yeah. How about this? SFM is already. Oh, whatever. Yep. Do I need to change this?
No, this is
No.
fine.
Version stay the same. Anything else I need to change?
No, just click on review plus create.
Okay. Great. Wait, what? Oh, sorry. Let me put you down here. Okay, when I was creating, do I go connect to your SQL server?
Which one?
So for SQL server on this PC
Mhm.
that you need to migrate, should I connect to yours so I can test it out
So you have already done the migration, right, from this one or
from,
not?
yeah, I already done a migration for
Okay,
this.
yeah. So then that's fine. We just have to find out how to. Uh, okay, let's see if the Windows authentication works in your case, right?
Yeah.
So click on go to resource,
Go, so, this one?
launch studio.
I should do that? Okay. Okay. And then,
So click on new
Yep.
pipeline,
Pipeline.
right? So it has opened up. Now search for copy, like in terms of, so because we will be doing this copy activity first, right?
Copy.
Right, and
Okay.
move it, drag it to the wind. Yeah, drag it here,
Okay.
and right. So basically, what you need to do is you need to provide it a source.
Yep.
So source is the SQL Server on-prem that we were trying to work with,
Yep.
and then the sink is the target, which would be the Azure SQL
So,
database, right?
got it. Yeah.
So click on source. Yeah, click
Source.
on source, select, click on new, create new. Now this is where we might get stuck, but we will try. Click on
Okay.
SQL, like search for SQL. Uh, scroll down.
This one?
So the last one, SQL Server.
Last, this
Yeah,
one.
this one. Create new, like click on
Oh.
new.
Yep.
Right. So it has already given it a name. And so see, here you see you have this authentication of SQL authentication. And
Oh, we
okay,
have
so
win.
we can try, right? If it works with Windows authentication.
Okay.
Sure. But because even for Windows authentication, it asks for a password. That's the problem, right? Because in Windows
Yeah, I don't have the
authentication, we don't
password.
have passwords. But
Yeah.
so this is the issue. This is where things get stuck if we don't have SQL Server authentication. Hmm.
How about Azure keyboard?
That's the same
This
thing.
is.
It would just save that password in a key vault, nothing,
Ah. I
right?
see.
And use an encrypted version. But anyways, go to like okay, connect via integration runtime where it
Uh,
says like above, like move above, right? Scroll above.
yep. Oh,
The
this
third
one.
option, yeah. So this should be the same. Click on new,
You got it? Okay.
right? Self-hosted.
Self-hosted.
Continue. Right. Just name it integration time 1. Click on create.
Right.
Okay, that is saved. Right.
Okay. Do I need to save this case somewhere?
Okay, so you see there is this option, option 2, manual setup, right? Download and install integration
Yeah, yeah.
runtime. Can you click on that?
Download and install.
Yeah, scroll down, download.
Download.
The first option,
That's one.
right?
Next.
So we will need to install this first, and
Okay. Gonna take a few. I mean, not a few minutes, quite a few.
yeah, maybe like 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes.
It looks like gonna take 5 minutes here. The speed is not that quick.
In the meantime, Henry, can you search for SQL Server Configuration Manager, like in Windows?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, Windows.
Yeah, SQL Server. Yeah, the second option below this, like there is go back, right click, restart.
Restart. Next.
I accept, like click on the accept option.
Oh, yep.
Next,
Next.
install.
Yes. Okay. So we don't need this now then.
No, we do.
You do? Oh.
This is still needed. See,
Oh,
okay,
that's
this
for
is done.
that's for
Right.
pipeline. Oh,
Yes. So what you need to do is go back to the Azure portal,
so put on. Yep.
right? And you see this key, right? The authentication key below.
Yep.
Click on this
Yep.
and
Uh,
paste it here.
do I need
Register.
both keys?
No, only one. And anyone can do. So,
Oh, okay.
right, click on register.
Do I need to save this key somewhere?
No, you don't need to.
Okay, we don't need it anymore. Okay.
Right. So see, the integration, yeah, just click on finish. So this is why we needed this.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
Click on finish. It will connect registered. Launch configuration
Launch.
manager.
Yep. So just say just put it somewhere else.
So now scroll, click on close.
Yep.
Okay. Is currently just click on this refresh option. Yeah. And
I
see
see.
if
Okay.
credentials. Okay. This is running now. Great.
Okay. Good. Good. Good.
Okay. Now you can use SQL Server
Authentication.
authentication.
I
Uh,
see.
but
Oh,
you need for the server name first. Server name and then database name.
oh,
So just
table.
copy, no, not the table. You need the database name.
Sorry, my bad. Wait, no. SFM. Yeah. Set or set?
The
Need to
test
declare.
connection? No, no. So you have test connection option on, yeah, here.
Connection.
Click on this.
It's getting slow for some reason.
Yeah, no issues. Okay, correct. Great.
It's good.
So the connection has been created. Click on create.
Right. Yep. Table name.
Table name. Yeah. So see, the pipeline will update one table at a time, right? So you need to select which table is like, because in a database there are some tables which are kind of static, like mapping tables and all, right?
Yeah.
But some tables like fact tables, they will keep on getting data.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can choose one of any one of the tables which is
I guess
refresh.
so.
Yeah, view sale, maybe sale
Yeah.
would be refreshed, right?
Yeah.
And click on OK.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, perfect. So the source is set up now. You
Yep.
can move to sync, the next
Sync.
option. Select the data set. Yeah, SQL Server table one. Right.
Okay.
Okay, we need to create a new one in this case as well. So click on the drop down.
Drop down.
No,
Yeah.
not here, where it says SQL Server table one. Yeah. So click on it.
Oh. Uh,
No, okay, so you have this option of new, right? Just,
oh, this one.
yeah, this one, right? Azure SQL space SQL. Yeah, Azure SQL database.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Sorry, people, can
Continue.
you give me?
In link service, create a new link service.
Oh.
Right. Everything will be same. Here you will use the server details that you for Azure SQL, right?
Oh. Okay. Um. um, So a SQL. Yeah. Server.
Yeah, this is the admin name. So
Yep.
you will use that.
Uh,
Server name would be, is it, so
You
uh,
mean database name?
go to, no. In the server name, click
Server name.
again, right?
Yeah.
And so what you need to do is you need to copy the server from uh, Azure portal, right? So where you
Yep.
were earlier. So just go back to your SQL server,
Yep.
copy the server name, the full server name,
Oh. Oh. I see it.
right? Go back. I think this should be fine, right? Because so can you go to the drop down of database name, like
Yep.
the next one,
Oh,
the
the
next
next.
drop down? Is it picking the database? Yeah,
It is. It is.
yeah. So okay, then it's fine. Go to SFM underscore, and then you have the username, which is uh,
Uh.
right, SFM state. I think that's the server admin, right?
Okay, that will be confusing. Hold up. I'm just gonna copy this.
But you did you save? No, this is the this is not server. See, this is
Oh,
the
you.
user. So if you remember when we did the migration, right, we saved those values, right?
Yep.
Uh, admin and password values.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can see the admin, right? Like you can see server admin,
Yep.
SFM state. Copy this,
Copy this.
right? This is what you need as a username.
Pipeline.
Yeah, the first option. Click on it. Uh, click on the three dots
Three dot.
on
Oh.
pipeline, right? Now search for
This one.
copy, copy.
Copy. Yeah.
Yeah, copy data.
And source.
Source, click
Uh.
on new,
Can you?
SQL Server, last
SQL
option.
Server. Continue. Link.
Link server, you already have the link service, right? So
Okay, so you already remember.
it would take some time. It's loading the tables. So yeah,
Oh,
now I
got it.
think it.
View, Excel, okay.
Click on OK.
Wait, so you have to use, okay, this is save. Where
Yeah,
do
it
I
doesn't save,
publish it?
but you will have to do all the things, right, to publish it.
Yep.
So sync, no, not this one. Yeah, new,
Yeah, yeah.
right? Azure.
Oh,
Yeah,
I just,
the Azure SQL, right? The first option, right?
yep, yep.
Continue. Link
Continue.
service, this one, yes.
Yep.
Oh, okay. So that one we did not test, right? So
Yeah, we
maybe
didn't test.
okay, click on edit. Like you have this edit option just next to it,
Oh,
right?
yep.
Yeah, this one, right? So we need to see, yeah, click on test.
Test. Connection
No,
failed and more. Failed to
I think you,
change
yeah, recheck
data.
your, no, I think the password you need to recheck because
Oh, okay.
everything else is working.
Yeah, probably.
Test connection. Okay,
Okay, here we
great.
go.
Apply.
Yeah, that's one's correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now
So,
refresh it
yep.
and select the
Okay,
table
here we go.
name. View sale, yeah,
Yeah.
this one.
Should
Click
be
on
good now.
OK.
Is it loading?
It,
Oh, it's
it's done. It's done.
time to publish.
No,
Just in case.
so you need to click on the drop down again.
Drop down.
See, yeah, SQL Server table 1. No,
Ah,
oh no, the first one only, right? Because
so
that's what
it
we
is the first
created.
one.
Yeah, this one only, right?
Oh.
Now, go to mapping,
Okay.
right? And import schema.
Import schema. Date, buyer code, supplier code.
Okay,
Specific.
so basically you need to find the table, right? View sale.
Yep.
Okay, these are the columns, right? So you can just map everything because it's the same thing we migrated, right? So just click on the first checkbox, right?
Oh,
Source,
okay.
yeah, this one. Yeah, this should work.
Okay, so no, do I need to click anything on import?
No, now we are good with the source to the target mapping. You just
Okay.
need to click on debug on the top. Yeah, just above this, you see the validate, copy runtime, and debug.
Oh,
Above, go
yeah.
above. Yeah,
Debug.
debug. Click on debug.
So it's working on it. It's updating now.
Okay, let's wait because so we need to choose upsert, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Oh,
and right, and click on debug again.
okay. Is this fine?
Yeah,
Okay.
this is fine.
Please specify. Please.
Table pipeline, right?
Yeah.
So there's no point doing a view pipeline. So no problem. Go to source,
Close.
right?
Edit or something.
Go to right. So this is your linked service now. Go up.
Go up.
Source dataset. This is the source dataset, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Open. Click on open. So you have open and new, right? Click on open, right? Now here, when you are selecting the table, right? Just don't select
Yep.
anything which is view.
Okay. Anything that is not view. I'm just gonna.
Yeah, dbo.sale maybe. Yeah, this one. Perfect.
Okay.
And
Let's save it. Where's the save?
I think this should be an auto save.
Oh, do I just test it?
Okay, yeah. So you can close it.
Oh, just close it.
Right.
Close it. What?
Oh, okay. So it's saying discard. Okay, so maybe there is a save option somewhere. Click.
No, I can't scroll
Let's
down.
see if we can find out.
Do I have to go publish?
No. Publish will. Okay, maybe try publish all. And
Validation model.
validation, yeah. Because the model, we are still working on that model, right?
Yep.
So upsert require a key column, so it will be an issue. Click on close first.
Close. Yep.
Right. We need to see why this is happening. Click on edit. Yeah, click on edit.
Oh, edit.
No, not this one.
This
So
one?
the table, right? Where you clicked just before. So this is also fine.
Oh,
So
okay.
click on cancel,
Cancel.
then edit below dbo.sale. You have the edit option,
Oh,
right?
this one. This one.
Yeah, dbo.sale.
They just gave a different way
Yeah,
to.
right. It's just a different way to do this. I'm not sure why it's not giving a
Can I
save
just
option.
go Control Save?
Yeah, maybe. No, okay, it's saving the web page. Maybe click on the three dots. Yeah. So it says close all tabs. No, okay. The button below, right? Click on this. Okay, here I can see clone, rename, move, delete. Not no save option is there. Click on refresh, like on the above this, you see.
Oh, this.
Yeah, click on this. See what happens. Okay, yeah, just do a refresh.
Do a refresh.
Right.
Oh, they did everything. It's fine. Can do this real quick. P, copy data, plus, wait, wrong. Oh,
Yeah, SQL
SQL Server, yep,
link service.
link SQL,
Server. Right here we will be making the correct table, right? I think that
yeah,
that would work now.
that should work. What's the views? Is that supposed to be there or is that just?
View is just a saved query in the database, right? So it doesn't save any data. It's just a query which is saved, and when you run it, it will fetch data. So
Okay, so SQL,
yeah,
continue, link SQL, save,
save. Yeah,
save.
this one.
Okay, app sets, upset,
Yes,
mapping,
mapping. Import schemas.
import schema, and tick everything. Do I have to select which one? How do I select the unique
Go to sync.
thing?
Right. Key
Yep.
columns. Click on key. Yeah, key columns. Click on new.
Yep.
Right. So we need to first identify which column is a key column, right? So we
Yep.
will go back to SQL Server Management Studio and go to the table, right? Right click and select 1000 rows. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see what data. Okay, so date is not unique. Buyer code
Buyer.
looks like buyer code is unique. Supplier code is not. No, buyer code is also not unique.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is no key column maybe in this
Okay, if
table.
it's not key column, then we can't do update.
We cannot, like, we can do insert but not upsert, right?
Oh,
So maybe
upset.
we
Okay.
right, we will choose the insert option if we want to create a pipeline for this table. Okay.
I see. I see. Mapping. Oh, sorry, not
No,
sync.
sync, insert. Yes. So now we don't need the key column.
Okay.
Go to mapping,
Mapping.
right?
It's all selected.
Yes. So everything is selected. Now click on debug.
Debug. Okay.
So we did add the like IP to our SQL
I,
server, right? So,
I see.
yeah, I think we did. So no,
I think
no
we
issue.
did. Yeah.
Let's
See
see.
if it
This should
does.
take a lot. Like go to in progress where it says status in progress, right? Where in the output, right? So you see this. No, you don't need to click on that.
Oh.
The specs, right? Click on.
Oh.
Okay, this is a big file, right? 349 MB of data that
Okay.
it will need.
Okay.
So you see the
Okay.
progress here, right?
Yeah.
50
At
MB
least.
has been written.
Yeah. At least I can see the progress. But also Vivo, I do need to
Yeah.
go. So
Okay.
if it's gonna take a while, like how long gonna take from your experience? Like
So
if
what you
it's like
need to do after this is you just
yep.
need to click on publish
Yep.
and